how to sign up for YouTube TV with their free trial. Let's go through it step by step. First, navigate to tv.youtube.com. Once you're on the website, click Try it for free. You can sign in by using your Google account. First, you enter your zip code. YouTube TV offers you this 20 minutes free with no commitment. I'll go with the free trial right away. Next, you choose your plan. I'll go with the base plan. Next, you can add any add-ons such as NFL Sunday Ticket, NFL Red Zone, HBO Max, or 4K Plus. Then we proceed to checkout. The checkout you can do either with credit or debit card or PayPal. After purchasing, you get started, so you can record as much as you want. You have unlimited DVR, which is great. Next, you can customize your live guide and you can connect to your TV as well. You can also choose your favorite channels and record them. You can set up your TV or start watching online. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Now it's your turn to sign up for YouTube TV. Navigate to tv.youtube.com and take advantage of their free trial. I thank you for watching and see you in the next video.